When you're needing an estimate to do a repair on your air conditioning system, plumbing, or electrical, it's really important that the technician comes to your home or your business, arrives on site, and does a thorough and complete diagnostics. A lot of people will say, I already know what the problem is. And that could be from as simple as the homeowner went outside, saw the fans not turning in the outdoor unit, and decided that the fan's not working. It could be that they had another company out and they explained what the problem is. And now they just want a price to fix it. Well, I'll tell you something, a good company is not going to give you a price over the phone. And the reason being, there's too many variables involved, and a good company is going to have good warranties and guarantees to back what they do and stand behind their work. So one, they're going to want to do their own diagnostic to make sure the diagnostic is accurate. Two, whatever the problem is typically a symptom of a bigger problem. What we're trained to do here at General Air Conditioning and Plumbing is to make sure we go out, we do a thorough diagnostic, a complete diagnostic, and we look for the contributing factors to the symptom. Condenser fan motor not working, that's a symptom of a bigger problem. And we want to make sure that now at times it could be just the condenser fan motor stopped working. The capacitor is no longer working, the motor burn up. It happens. It could also be that there was a contributing factor, an underlying contributing factor to that. And we want to identify that. Not that everything has to be fixed or addressed, but you need to know, you need the information to make the right decision that's best for you, your family, or your business. So when you call a company, make sure they want to come out. Make sure they don't want to just quote you over the phone. That company should come out and do a thorough diagnostic on a system. One of the things we're going to be doing is checking the complete system, including ductwork, airflow issues, static pressures, and make sure that when we leave, you have a system that is operating to the highest safety standards, comfort standards, and efficiency standards. And people will say, why do I need to pay a diagnostic or a trip charge for you to come out and tell me what's wrong? Think of it this way. We have a truck, very expensive truck, that has ladder racks and shelving on it. We have a parts inventory. In fact, we like to refer to it as our warehouse on wheels because we can fix the majority of problems first time on site because of the inventory we keep on the truck. Plus we have a technician, a very skilled technician, who's invested heavily in himself, and we've invested heavily in to make sure they know how to diagnose your system and fix your system safely. There's a cost to that. It's that simple. Just to have a truck show up at a home or a business costs money, and anybody that's willing to show up and not charge for it, I would be a little bit suspect of. Why? They must need work. Now, when you're talking about equipment replacement, where you just want an estimate and there's no diagnostic involved, no charge for them. We come out to homes all day long and give free estimates on air conditioning systems, heating systems, whole home repipes, sewer cleaning and jetting and sewer relines, panel upgrades, you name it. Those are the things where we're going to send somebody out, an experienced professional that can look at your home, do the right measurements, and provide you a quote with several different options. So listen, if you need maintenance or repair on your air conditioning, plumbing, or electrical system, call the General, www.callthegeneral.com. You can book online, or you can fill out a form and we'll get right back to you immediately. Call us, 760-343-7488. We have people that are our team here in the Valley, live in the Valley, work in the Valley, answering your calls to get you scheduled. And of course, if you're in the neighborhood, feel free to stop in at our location, 31170 Reserve Drive, Thousand Palms, California. Love to have visitors, love to give tours of our facility. And if you need an estimate, reach out the same way and we'll get you scheduled with urgency.